What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In today's training, I'm going to show you how I do high-ticket affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you the products that I promote. I like to promote high-ticket products. For example, this one, Freedom Accelerator, and I promote another one that is called Legendary Marketer as well. So basically, I'm going to show you that I'm an affiliate for this product, Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. So here it says Freedom Accelerator, but the updated name is Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. So check this out. So this is my affiliate dashboard. This company pay 40% recurring commission, and if I click here, so these are my affiliate links. And actually, Jonathan Montoya is doing this week a traffic challenge, which is basically that we're like uploading YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram reels on our social media channels. This is like for his affiliates to have more traction, to increase our following and also to increase the views. And if we can make sale, that is going to be awesome as well. So basically, these are my affiliate links. If someone buys from any of these links, for example, this one, I can make a commission for selling the Freedom Breakthrough. Now, let me show you the step-by-step system that I use to promote this product. And for that task, I'm utilizing this software. The name is funnelfreedom.io. So one of the most important things in high-ticket affiliate marketing is to collect leads or collect the emails of the prospects, and we can do that by giving away a lead magnet. So what is that? So my lead magnet for this funnel is a free course. I'm going to open this page because I'm going to show you. So this is my landing page or opt-in page. So that is called. And basically, I drive traffic to this page, which has a title, it has information. Here it says take the free course. And so when people click this button, they can write their name, their email, and I can send to them the free course through email. So, but more importantly, that information, it's important, guys, because once I have the email from the Freedom, what it's going to do is that it's going to send emails automatically to promote the products that I promote. Now, let me show you quickly the free course because this is important to see, because I'm promoting multiple affiliate products through this platform. And as you can see, the free course has 7 parts. And if I scroll down, so this is the course introduction, and I'm going to show you that I didn't have to create this free course. So Jonathan Montoya created this free course for his affiliates, so we can give away this lead magnet and collect leads. So check this out. So here it's where people are going to watch, for example, the course introduction, and when they scroll down, they will find these buttons. So check this out, join the 72-hour Freedom Challenge. So when people click this button, check this out, it's going to go to my affiliate link for the 72-hour challenge. Now, let me go to part number 2, because through all the lessons, we have these buttons. For example, here, the first one is to join the Facebook group, Jonathan Montoya's Facebook group. Then we have again the button to join the 72-hour Freedom Challenge, and that is how I promote the high-ticket product. Because basically, when we promote the high-ticket product, we do that through a challenge. So the cost of the 72-hour challenge is $9, and the price of the high-ticket product, which is Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, is $1,997. So basically, when someone buys the challenge from my affiliate link, and if that's in person update his account to the high ticket product, I can make commissions. So that is called the value ladder, because basically what I'm doing here is that so people access the $9 course, and then we have like upsells, and I can make commissions in all the steps of the ladder. So check this out. Part number 7, we have more buttons. For example, sign up for Funnel Freedom. This is the software. And then we have the button, check out Freedom Accelerator. So basically, this is like the first thing that I wanted to show you guys. I'm promoting products through by giving away this free course. Now I'm going to go to the automations, because right now I'm going to show you the emails that I'm utilizing to promote multiple affiliate products. But first, I'm going to go to this tab that is called Funnel Freedom, because I'm going to show you first all the products that I promote with this system. So I'm going to click on Funnel Freedom, then I'm going to click, let me show you, affiliate link settings. So it's going to appear here some buttons. And so basically this is a done for you system that you can copy and paste if you want. So you can have access to this software as well. So check this out. I have here all my links for these products: the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Legendary Marketer, Secret of Success, System.io, Funnel Freedom. If I scroll down, Get Response, Udemy, Video, and I'm promoting these softwares, for example, TubeBuddy, VidIQ, Repurpose.io, by just copying and pasting my affiliate links inside of this page and then sending traffic to the opt-in page that I will show it to you. So I'm going to go to the automation part, and then I'm going to show you the emails, because what is cool about Funnel Freedom is that I didn't write all the emails. So basically, this is a done for you system that I'm utilizing. So check this out. I have right now 74 people enrolled on the welcome sequence, and then 69 people enrolled on the first nurturing sequence. And we have all these nurturing sequence ready to be sent. So let me show you. I'm going to go to the welcome sequence, because when someone's opting in their information inside of my funnel, Funnel Freedom is going to start sending all these emails automatically. And inside of the emails, people are going to find my affiliate links for the products that I will show it to you. They are going to find as well valuable information. And also they are going to find Jonathan Montoya's videos, for example, review videos. And so basically they will click those links in which they have YouTube videos, and below the videos, people are going to find buttons. And when they click those buttons, people will be clicking my affiliate links. For example, check this out. So when someone subscribes to that opt-in page, Funnel Freedom is going to send the first email, which is the welcome message with the course access. Then it's going to wait for 1 day to send the message number 2, which is the 72-hour challenge, and so on and so forth. Funnel Freedom is going to send all these emails. So basically, guys, that is why I bought this system, because it has this 7 figures done for you system. Basically, this is the system that Jonathan Montoya used to make commissions with affiliate marketing. So Jonathan Montoya is the creator of these products: the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Breakthrough, and Funnel Freedom. Now, right now, I'm going to show you one of the things that I'm doing to drive customers to my sales funnel. So check this out. This is my TikTok account. Here I'm creating content about my own journey. So for example, day 139, day 140, and so on and so forth, day 147. For example, here I have like a lot of kind of videos, and when people go to my TikTok account and click this link, this is the link of my sales funnel. And if they write their information, I can collect that information, and Funnel Freedom is going to start sending emails. Now, this one is this is another funnel because I have been using like ClickFunnels and GetResponse for many years, because I have been doing this affiliate marketing thing since 2017. So I have a lot of funnels in those kind of softwares. For example, check this out. This is my ClickFunnels account. I have as well my GetResponse account, and as you can see, I have collected 1,459 leads or emails. So basically, this is important if you want to grow your high-ticket affiliate marketing business for the long term, collecting leads. Because what I can do with my contacts is that I can go to email marketing, write an email to promote any product that I want. That is why it's important to promote products that you know are going to help your subscribers, help your email list. So another type of traffic source that I use is YouTube. So check this out. I have, for example, Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 review. And YouTube is helping me to send customers to my sales funnels. For example, I have all these videos, Freedom Breakthrough, and when people go and watch my videos, and when they click my links in the description of the videos, people will be clicking my sales funnel, and if they write their information, they will start receiving all of the emails which I use to promote the products that I know are going to help them. So as you can see, guys, it takes time and effort to basically start like getting results with high-ticket affiliate marketing, because first of all, you need to find a main core offer, which for me is Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, and then it's important to find supporting offers, which for me are Funnel Freedom, which is the software. So this is a tool for any online business. For example, ClickFunnels, GetResponse, TubeBuddy. So these are tools that I use in my affiliate marketing business. And once we have like chosen those supporting offers, we need to write the emails to promote those products. And so it takes time to start building this 24/7 sales system. And once we have wrote those emails, we need to create the opt-in page, we need to create the lead magnet, and then we just need to start sending traffic to our system. And basically, this system is going to help us to make commissions 24/7. So, but in order to do that, we need to drive customers to it. And that is when the work ethic begins, because one of the most important things to drive customers is to create content every single day. And we can do that by using our social media channels. For example, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. But one of the most important channels that we can utilize is YouTube, guys. So let me show you quickly. I'm going to go to the high ticket training, because basically inside of this training we have here in phase number 2 the automated traffic machine. So Jonathan Montoya lays out perfectly how we can build this traffic machine by utilizing YouTube and by creating long form videos, and also by creating short form videos as well. So for example, the YouTube metrics, understanding the YouTube traffic ecosystem, the perfect YouTube script, the optimization part of the videos, the algorithm explains and all these kind of things. And also he has like super hacks, for example, how to get monetized in 2 weeks, part super hack number 2, get monetized in 2 weeks, super hack number 2 and number 1. So this is my main traffic source, guys, YouTube. And what I need to work more is on phase number 3, how to increase conversion. For example, how I need to create my irresistible bonus offer. So for example, once you have like an email list, a good email list, you can like create your own bonus offer. For example, you can create your own course and give that course for free for all the people, for example, who bought from any of the products that you are promoting. So which is really awesome. And phase number 4 is how to make and scale. So I hope to get one day to this part, guys. So how to building my own team, hiring my team to help me to upload my videos in all my social media channels. Check this out. And then we have like a vacation test. So once we have all the 24/7 system working on, we just need to create like the raw videos, and our team is going to do all the work for us. So which is really good. But I'm not even in this part yet. I hope to get to the phase 4, yeah, in one day. So, but that is why I want to tell you that this takes time. So people get discouraged when they don't have results. They get discouraged when they don't have commissions. And this is a long-term game. So if you have the right mindset to create content every single day without like expecting results, I think that is a good spot to start. So when I started in 2017 affiliate marketing, I made my first affiliate marketing commission after 1 day of uploading videos. So it took me 1 year to get my first commission, guys, for regular affiliate marketing. For high ticket affiliate marketing, it took me less, but it took me some months to start getting commissions with these products, with my main core offer, the 72-hour challenge and freedom breakthrough. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon, and God bless.